Hi friends, this is Chris with Josephine's Design. I am back with my paper pumpkin kit. I just got it. It may have been here a couple of weeks before, but we don't get our mail very often, unfortunately. So, which is causing lots of problems right now. So we're gonna have to figure out a better way. But this is by Paper Pumpkin. It's by Stampin' Up. So let's see what it is. I love the colors already. So, let's see here. So here's some stamps. It looks like the stamp this month is Misty Moonlight. That's pretty. And it says, "You're amazing, hey." And it looks like that's probably for rainbows. And then it says, "Oh, happy day." That's one of my favorite songs. Matter of fact, it used to be the ringer on my phone until I had to reboot my phone twice. So, don't miss Box of Sunshine. Oh, I guess she's revealing the next one. So, all right. Let's see here. And this is one of the co-founders' daughter, I think, is how that works. Anyways, I used to be in Stampin' Up years ago. Many times, or a couple of times, I've been in Stampin' Up. And I love Stampin' Up. And they reached out and said, would you like some paper pumpkin? And I said, sure. So, what girl doesn't want a little paper pumpkin? So, I'm going to save this pink tissue to use in journals and projects. I always keep my tissue together and have a box. I throw it up there, and then when I get enough, I put it in a box together. So, alright. I shouldn't have put that back in. Alright, so let's get this cute box over here. I'm going to get this out of the way, and we've already seen the stamp and the color. So this color is picked up right there. That is the Misty Moonlight. I think that is really pretty. So that is going to be fun. Now, I put up my little X-Acto knife, and I probably shouldn't yet. So, anyways, how many of y'all are doing paper pumpkins? Or have you done paper pumpkins? If you have, list them below. And before I forget, if you guys like unboxings, if you like planners, if you like Bible journaling, if you like, you know, all kinds of craft projects, be sure you subscribe. We'd love to have you. Our channel has been growing. It's been wonderful. We have a drawing right now because we just hit a milestone. We've always been a small channel, but, you know, I have different, you know, drawings for each one of the milestones. And at 2,000, we hit that 2,000 mark. I've got an amazing 2-person drawing giveaway, and I cannot wait for that one. That one is amazing. So, anyways, alright, so let's see what this one is. Now, I had planned to come back and work on last month's paper pumpkin, but things just kind of got a little crazy around here, and I was having some health issues, but I definitely am going to do this one with you. So it looks like we have little dots, and then we also have kind of the pop dots, and then we have the pink and white string that is so cute. And then look at these little asterisks. Aren't those cute? Those little stickers are so cute. And then, of course, we have, let's see here, we have envelopes. Ooh, look at the insides of those. Aren't those pretty? And then we have these envelopes. They're a little bit bigger, and they have the pretty insides. Okay. And then we have fun stuff to work with. So, let's see here. So, in this kit, we got the stamps that help make these little tags. We have the envelopes. Ooh, there's some yellow envelopes. I didn't find those yet. They have the pink and then the bright pink. And then we can make 3 different cards. So, where's the yellow? There's the yellow. Orange. Kind of, looks yellow here, but it's orange, more orange with yellow. But anyway, so that'll be pretty. Very summery. So, here's all the goodies. Oh, I thought we were going to have to make those. That's pretty neat. So and then here's the cardstock with the light pink on one side and white on the other. So I'm sure it matches up to the appropriate envelope. And then here's some of the ephemera that you just punch out and play with. And then I'm going to set that up here so I can kind of see what I'm saying. And then here looks like some more of the punch out ephemera. It just looks like clouds and banners. And there's more of that. Pretty fun. Ooh, look at this card base. I love this card base. It's so pretty and wild and just beautiful. So these white clouds look beautiful on that, and that's what they show. And then we have this beautiful green card base. And that goes, of course, what they show is with the orange. Right there. It goes right there. So, I love that. So, it's green on one side and white on the other. Pretty. And then finally, we have an acetate. There's 4 of them. They look like little ribbons. I don't know if you can see those. I'm going to kind of hold them up and kind of show you. And I'm trying to figure out which one that goes on. Oh, this one. So you layer it. So super fun. And I know there's a lot of people on YouTube that put these together differently. You know, like they'll take this kit and they'll do something different with it. And I love watching those YouTubes. But I think, because I really like the projects that they put together, the cards, I think I'm just going to go with that. So come on back. We'll work on this project. We'll get it together and then we'll just chat. Okay, friends, I hope you guys enjoyed this. This was a paper pumpkin kit by Stampin' Up. Again, like, subscribe, hit that notification bell, leave a comment. Tell me if you have this kit and what you're going to do with your kit. If you're going to do it like they encourage you, what they demonstrate to you, or do you do it a little differently? Okay, and I always shush them up anyways. You know how that works. But, all right, friends, most importantly, I pray your day is blessed, creative, and lovely. Thank you for being here. Welcome all of our new friends. And I'm going to go in the other room, spend a little time with my birds, and hope that they'll kind of, you know, quiet down a little. But they have a new house, and they're not quite sure. So, all right, friends, again, I pray your day is blessed, creative, and lovely. God loves you very much, and so do I. All right, y'all. Y'all have a great day. Talk to you soon. Be safe. Bye-bye.